Here's Etrian Odyssey NEXUS for the 3DS. Here's a beef burrito with XXX salsa that I just bought. It's nice and moist, which is good. I like the softer burrito rather than it being hard. So we've made the first opening here, and so that means we should maybe and some beef, and that's already spicy. I already taste the spice in that. That's good. Apparently we have a pin. We have a pin of a character. Okay, so as you can see, there's the pin by itself. It's some kind of rubber material. Let's put that right in the burrito. And then there seems to immediately, in the inside, there's a thing blocking the game for some reason. I don't know. In God's name. Okay, so this is, we have a little, what I believe to be a 27-page art book as advertised on the back. Nice full spread of some of the full color art of a lot of the characters. If you should skip ahead if you don't want spoilers for all this. Has some credits. That's really nice of them. So now that we cracked through that, let's crack through this burrito a little more. That's a delicious burrito. I think there's a game in here somewhere. Okay. Let's get that, since we cracked something open, we should take another crack into our burrito. Wow. Instruction manual here because I haven't bought an Atlas game in a while. Oh no. Looks like Atlas 2 has succumbed to the health and safety warnings. That's everything. That's everything that's in the box. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, 32-page art book. 32 pages. It said 27 originally. I don't know how I messed up that number. And the what is called the Vivian pin. Let's take another look at the burrito actually. Nice spices. Romaine lettuce, I think. Etrian Odyssey rated T for Ted.